Hello, this is a video as a warm-up technical exercise for pre-grade and grade 1. It's going to be a compound exercise that covers timing, technique, rudiments, reading and drum beats. So we're going to play through it from the top. Let me get it up ready. And then I'm going to go through it bar by bar and how to play it. Here we go. So with a click, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to go through it bar by bar and look at any of the stickings or coordinations that might be a challenge. So the first bar, we've got 4 quarter notes. And we want this whipping motion. Think of a catapult motion rather than from the elbow, like a car park barrier. So, and then we want the rebound. And that's the second bar, 4 lefts. So then we've got the third bar, which moves into 8th notes, and they're all right hands. And then bar 4, which is 8 left hands. And then bar 5, we get into double strokes, the rudiment. So you might feel a challenge here because you're playing a left hand with a right foot. Paradiddles, bar 6. Right, left, right, left, left. And with the bass drum if you can. Bar 7, single strokes. And these are going to go around the kit because the note heads are now changing height. So we can see which drum they need to be played on. Say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and with the bass drum. Bar 8, we have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Bar 9, this is the hardest of these 4 rhythms. Bars 7, 8, 9, 10, they're 4 different rhythms, and these will see you up to grade 3. Bar 9 is the hardest of the 4, and it's 1 and 2 and space in the first note each time. The bass drum. And then we've got just solid 16ths right through. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and with the bass drum. And then we've got the buzz roll, or closed roll, it's also called. There's different types of rolls. In grades 1 and 2, we mostly use the closed buzz roll. So the 16th we've just played. Keep that pulse going, and that's going to be the pulse for our buzz roll. Now, this time, instead of when we hit, we rebound. When we hit, we're going to press. Okay, and then when we get the buzz, the 16ths, the bass drum, we pulse it the same as the 16ths. The buzz roll. And the last stroke should be a clean rebound. Rest. On the 4th beat, the bar of bar 11. Bar 12, we have a rock beat. Bar 13, which looks like a percentage sign, means to play bar 12 again. It's a repeat of the previous bar. So we'll have that for bars 13 and 14. So we will hear bar 12 3 times. So it'll be bar 15, we have another half of this rock drum beat. And we have the block of 4/16 we've played in bar 10. Just one of them blocks of 4. And then 2/8 notes on the low tom we've gone down here, and we played these in bar 6. Sorry, bar 7. So together it becomes 3 and a 4 and. So the bar 15 will sound like. And the last bar, bar 16, is the crash cymbal and the bass drum underneath. Crash cymbals on their own, 99% of the time will have the bass drum or snare with it. We don't really have them on their own. So from bar 14, last line. So start slowly, around 60 BPM, then 65, 70, 75, and see if you can play it along to a click at 80 BPM. And you should do this every time you practice. It's just a way of warming up, getting everything going, and it's always developing technique and the coordination you need for pre-grade and grade 1.